Okay, so the problem here there is with Illustrator, and I was very frustrated, and I'd add just a simple text, very simple text, you know. You add some text, and then here we are, we want to add some gradient. You click on gradient here, and nothing changes. So to fix this problem in Illustrator, and I know it's very annoying, what you have to do is just select the text, and then here just remove, but the text is still here, but we'll just remove the fill and the stroke, and now we go here, click on selection, go to appearance, also make sure here in view in window here, make sure you go to appearance and enable this one here. And now here we can click on this box, on this option here, to add a new fill, and now here we can add a color. We can also expand this and add a gradient. As you can see now, we can click on a gradient here, and then we can just change this, move this the way we want. I don't know what I'm getting this color. If you know, let me know in the comments section if you have any idea how to fix this. Like when you grab this, you see this color. To be quite honest, I don't really know what's the reason why I'm seeing this, but yeah, we can help each other. And now we can add a gradient, and it works without any problem. And we can stick, you should stick for more, because I'm going to share with you some text tips and tricks that I hope is going to improve your workflow, your productivity in Illustrator. You have some text here, and here we can go here and add some stroke. And now once you edit this stroke, you can click on here. First we can click on offset about 2. Okay, also of course change the color, go back here. Now let's say free this, actually Pathfinder add, and now you added some text behind this text, or just the outline or something like that. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.